Hello, I am Yvonne Galvan from Shotwell Shark News, and I am here to interview the winner of the Spelling Bee. Hello.
Hello.
Please tell us, why did you join the Spelling Bee?
The spelling bee has a lot of, like vocabularies and words that kids should know, and helps us increase our vocabulary and help us understand the word and every of the words that we didn't know.
When is the district Spelling Bee competition?
It is on February 6th at Emma Campbell Theater Arts.
What time does it begin?
The spelling bee begins at 4:30 p.m.
Is there anything else you'd like to say?
It will be great if the Shotwell teachers and students come out and support me at Emma Campbell.
That's it.
Is there anything else you'd like to say?
It will be great if the Shotwell teachers and students come out and support me at